Everyone, in one way or another, serves in various groups and organizations: family, society, educational institutions, workplaces, political parties, governments. All these structures are born and grow when a group of people start thinking and acting in the same way. Then others join, and the structure gains strength, forcing its members to follow its rules, until it reaches a point where the structure subjugates large social groups. On a material level, energy structures consist of people and objects, buildings, furniture, equipment, technologies. But what allows such structures to form? A structure is created when thoughts of a group are focused in one direction. Their thought energy becomes aligned. Individual streams merge into one. And out of that, in the middle of the energy ocean, a new independent information energy structure forms. This is called an energy pendulum. It begins to live its own life and makes those who created it obey its laws. Why is it called a pendulum? Because the higher and faster it swings, the more people feed it with energy. Each pendulum has a unique vibrational frequency. To amplify its swing, it must be fueled by energy at a resonant frequency. If the number of adherents decreases, the pendulum slows down and eventually stops. When no one swings it anymore, it dies. Examples of dead pendulums: ancient religions, outdated tools, obsolete fashion trends, forgotten ideologies. Yes, even these are pendulums. Any structure shaped by collective thought energy can be called a pendulum. In nature, colonies of bacteria, animal herds, fish schools, ant colonies all function as living pendulums. Since every living being radiates energy, each can be a pendulum. And when these individual units synchronize and swing in unison, they form a group pendulum. It stands over its adherents like an independent superstructure. It makes rules to keep its people together and to attract new followers. It develops independently without the awareness of its followers. A bureaucratic system is an example. Even high-ranking officials cannot break its rules. If they try, they are removed. Even a single person can become a pendulum. For example, an energy vampire. Any pendulum is destructive by nature. Why? Because it takes energy from its followers and gains power over them. It does not care about individual well-being, only about preserving the flow of energy. If a person is influenced by a destructive pendulum, they must live by its laws. If not, they are discarded. Escaping the grip of a destructive pendulum is very hard and often painful.